That's normally a yard there. The drain down there just cannot keep up. We got all of this rain in just like 15 minutes or so. Like the wind's blowing over the water, you can see the waves. Like that's completely covered with water, that room. It's insane. Whoa. This is out my bedroom window. There's the road. Our yard is a little higher than the neighbors. And then over there is really flooded. See how deep that is. That kid walking in there, he's moving the cars back in. His backyard's completely flooded. See if I can get him moving the car. In the other corner. See if I can. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, there's another storm over there, but it's pitch black because it's like 11 o'clock at night right now. But we have had lots of damage in Sydney. This road was underwater earlier, I'm sure. We were not here when the flooding occurred, but all of northern Sydney was completely flooded. That might have lit up the sky a little. I don't know if it did on the screen, but hopefully it did. But the clouds look really cool. Hopefully that lit up the screen. There was one. But yeah, there were trees down, power lines snapped over by Lowe's. A tree down in Twala is completely flooded. I don't know how I'm gonna get a good lightning strike. I just saw another one after I stopped the recording because of my annoying sister. I don't know, but if you could see down there, we have a couple branches down from the wind. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning. And I think I was angled too far to the right on that one. Might just sit it here for a little bit and see if I can get a good lightning strike out of it. Might have to go out front, like outside, and try and record. But it got up to 100 degrees today. The real feel got to 116. So there's lots of energy with for these storms to work with. Tomorrow's going to seem to be the same deal. Maybe that one lit up the sky a little on the screen. But tomorrow's the same deal. But there's more severe storms, and we're going down to Cincinnati for a baseball game, though. So we'll have to see if the storms get pretty bad or not. I'm going to go out front now. Okay, guys, it started raining here. And let's see if we can get some lightning strikes to illuminate the sky, because it looked really cool. There's like a huge shelf cloud and stuff. And like white clouds and dark clouds. It was quite strange, actually. So if I can hold still. There's one over there. There we go. That one lit up the whole sky. That probably, if you pause the video there, then it's about 25 seconds or so. There should be a nice illumination of the sky. But yeah, I'm getting wet trying to look around a little. Over to our left here is actually some white clouds, even though you can't see it at all, because of the lighting. It's dark. But I haven't been able to look around that much for any like damage or anything like that, because it's like 11:30 right now. So tomorrow maybe I'll be able to do that when we're driving around. Well, it was mostly just Sydney that I saw a bunch of damage. There's another nice lightning strike, showing a little bit of shelf there. But yeah, it's starting to pick up on the rain. The winds might start soon, so I'm going to go back inside.